Hello guys, welcome back to yet another TryHackMe Capture the Flag challenge. Today we will be working on one of the beginner level CTF challenge and its name is Jack of all trades. This is the room. I have already started the machine and the IP address is this, and there is a couple of information mentioned here. So Jack is man of great many talents. And you can read the rest. Okay, so let's start with nmap scan, sudo nmap scsv and the password. So meanwhile this is running, let's check if ports are open. Let's adjust the window size. So seems like 80 port is not open. 443 maybe https. No, so we need to wait for this nmap to finish. 99% is already completed, so let's wait for a minute. So it says 22 and 80 port is open, but it is weird that on 80 port SSH is running and on port 22 HTTP Apache is running. So it's a little bit twist. So let's check the port 22 HTTP. The address is restricted. The address uses a network port which is normally used for other than web browsing. Firefox has cancelled the request for your protection. So let's check how we can disable this restriction. Um, Although we can use curl method also. Let's see, curl http and then $ip and port 22. Yes, so we can read couple of things. There is a base 64 value we can identify using this padding. But let's check if we can open this page using browser. So about.config and then this thing, about config and accept risk and continue. So there is already a value which is set to true, false, true. So this is a boolean value. So it says there should be a list in a string format, and if the above listed preference does not exist, right click anywhere and click new string. So this is a bit old article from 2015. So basically what it is saying, that the value should be in string format and not boolean. So let's delete and create a string and mention the IP addresses which are not standard. So I'm mentioning both, although only 22 is required here, but let's see if we can open it now. Port 22, yes we can. Let's adjust the zoom. So welcome to Jack of all trades. My name is Jack. I am a toy maker. This is my employment history. Please bear with me. I have a dinosaur. I have a huge collection of model like this one. I make a lot of models and blah blah. We don't see that encoded value here. So let's go to source, view page source. Okay, so let's grab this thing and okay, so it says note to self, if I ever get logged out I can get back at recovery.php. So let's copy this complete value and add it in our notes. and let's specifically copy this encoded value and echo paste base 64 minus D. Remember to wish Johnny, and there is some password. Remember to wish Johnny Graves. Who is Johnny Graves? Well, with his crypto job hunting, his encoding system are amazing. Also, gotta remember your password. So this is some kind of password, and um, there is a page called recovery.php. So let's see if we can get into something. Mm, Username and password hijack. Did you forget the machine password again? The user should be Jack, or password this one. No, it is not working. So let's see the source. Here is another value with no comments. Let's copy this thing and do the same. Uh, this is a bit longer message. Base 64 minus T. Okay, so this is not base 64, and the previous message says something about crypto job hunting and his decoding system are amazing. So we need to check who is this guy. His encoded system, who discovered some encoded system. Maybe he is uh, a cryptographer, Johnny Graves, and coding system. Just wondering how many Johnny Graves are there. So this is a write-up maybe for this lab, and this is a MySpace page, and we can see some reference of rote 13 cipher. My favorite encoding strings are rote 13, hex, and base 32. So basically we need to use these three encoding strategies to decrypt this message maybe. uh, so looks like this is a page created for SoundCloud. So basically these pages are created for this lab most likely. This is a SoundCloud profile for Johnny Graves, and the same picture, and here you see the um, a pic which is similar to our room image. So let's try that strategy. Let's use cyber chef. Cyber chef. Let's close couple of windows and let's copy the message and paste it in input. So although we can check these things one by one, base 32, hex, and rote 13, so it does not look like a rote 13. So base 32 and hex. Let's check from hex. Uh, no, and base 32 uh, from base 32 and then maybe uh, hex, because we see alphabets and numeric from hex, and then by following this base 32, hex, and root 13. Here you go. So this is the message. And in CyberChef, you can do this magic wand also. It can discover base 32 and hex, and it came up with this message, and the only thing which is left is route 13. So you can use the magic wand, which sometimes come here for uh, algorithms or encoding decoding methods which are easy. So we got our message. It says remember that the credential to the recovery login are hidden on the page. So the credential to the recovery login is hidden on the page. I know how forgetful you are, so here is the hint. So what is the hint? Another web page. So it is a Wikipedia page, and it is a group of dinosaurs. It is a kind of species. Okay, let's go back to the home page. So answer is hidden in this page. So there are a couple of images like this one. So maybe this is the hint. Uh, it is kind of this image is matching with our home page image. Just because it is a dinosaur, let's download this, copy image location, wget, and this image, and the image name is stego. So steg hide, extract sf and stego.jpg, enter passphrase blank. It is not accepting, so let's use this password as passphrase. Yes, so cat creds.txt, we got one. You're on the right path but the wrong image. Okay, so a different image, probably this one, copy image location. We need to repeat this exercise for all the images which we see on the page. What is the name? Jack in the box.jpg, and the passphrase is this. No, passphrase is blank. No. So what is left? This is another image. Copy image location. Let's repeat the same header.jpg, and the password could be this. We get another file, cms creds, cat cms creds. So we got some username and password. So let's go back to slash recovery page, jack in the box, and the password. So let's close this wiki page, and this is the recovery credential. uh, Jack in the box, and this is the password. Login, get a cmd, and I'll run it for you. Future check, view page source, nothing in here. So this could be a get command, get http function, and method, sorry, and the cmd could be a parameter. So let's try cmd equal to id. Yes, so this is a reverse shell. Okay, so here you can see it is not coming as a different line, but here it is sorted. So let's do things here. Who am I don't know why it is coming two times the same line. So let's try a couple of things. Maybe let's check this source of this index.php file first of all. If we can check get cat plus plus or space and index.php. Yep. So if cookie login is this, so basically it is just using a system command and there is no filtration, so we can run anything. So maybe let's do a reverse shell, although we can pen test monkey, although we can browse this system using this method also, ls plus slash home. We can see jack and jack password list. Okay, so maybe let's read this. Let's cancel the idea to take reverse shell now. Let's check what it is. What is written in this file? Cat slash home slash check password list. So we got the password list of user Jack most likely. So I'm naming it plist, not cat. Nano plist. Paste. Control X. Save. Yes. And let's do the Hydra. L as Jack hyphen P as plist and SSH is the service, but we need to specify uh, the port somewhere. I'm not sure if this will be accepted because it is contradictory like AT and SSH. So let's cancel Hydra. Maybe let's why not try to run this thing. So basically we got the password. Let me copy this password to notes somewhere, and let's clear the screen and try to log in. Jack at the rate $IP and the port is 80. Yes, and the password is this, and we are able to log in. ls user.jpg. So there is a no user flag in text file, so we need to transfer this file. Can we run sudo uh, python 3 maybe? No, we cannot. So we need to transfer this file using some method. There can be different techniques, but I am going to use a very simple thing, which is netcat. So we can run netcat to transfer the file. So let's create another window below to receive the file. So on the receiving side, we need to enter nc hyphen l hyphen p as port 1234 and the out file name. So you can mention any name, but I'm using the same one. So L for listening, P for port, and on the sender side, NC hyphen W is timeout. So uh, just in case if it's stuck, so it should get timed out in 3 minutes, I think. 8.21.57 is the IP correct? Yes, 8.21.57 and the port 1234 and the uh, different sign, greater than sign, not this one. On the sender side, this is the correct one, and user.jpg. Nothing is happening, but let's wait. Maybe it is transferring the file. Yep, so it is completed. ls user.jpg. Sweet. So I'm not opening this file. It contains a flag, but this is how it is. It look likes. So basically, this is the flag, and rest some instruction of penguin soup. So no other line or part is useful for us except this flag. So this is a user flag. Um, let's close a couple of windows. So this is a user flag here, and now we need a root flag. So let's check a few more things on the server. We have already checked we cannot run anything using sudo -l. In id we can see many groups: cd-rom, floppy, audio, dip, video. um, don't know if these can be used, but let's check the SUID bits. So find slash firm u equal to s type f and dev slash null. So couple of files are there, and you can see a strings file which is not usual. So let's go to our friend GTFO bins, and let's see if we can do something with strings. Yes, we can. So SUID bit is there. So basically we can read the file. With this we cannot escalate our privilege, and that is what we need. So dot slash strings, and can we check the root directory? No, we can't. So I'm assuming that the root flag is root slash root dot txt. Yes, it is. So here we got the root flag, and that's it. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have any other method or any other suggestion to crack this room, please mention in comments. It will be very useful. I'll be uh, also learning new things, and keep watching other videos and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye bye.